There you go there guys, it's just a magnetic base for your Starlink Mini. We've got the exact same one for the standard and the 4X, which is the bigger one. But I'll basically show you how this works. In the kit you get 4 of these. They just screw into here, so you can screw them into wherever is going to suit on each corner. So you can adjust them a little bit, obviously, if you need to. For whatever you're doing, they screw in like that, just in case on your one you have to put them in a different spot, and this will allow it to be super strong magnetic grip onto whatever you need. Probably going to be your car roof or something that obviously other magnets can seal onto, so they just screw into there like so. We're going to line that up nicely. That's that, so that's how it comes, that's all connected up. Then if you grab your Starlink Mini, and you just need to pull out the original mount, which you just pull up and out to pop out that. And then what you'll find now is that this just will slide in, same style, into here. So it's just going to come straight down. And you lift up this little lifting pad, because that's where the locking pins lock into. And that is basically how that hooks up, and we'll just show you. Obviously I can't do it on here because this is all like an LED canopy, but we'll show you how that just fits on. Then this will just go on. Obviously you'll probably be putting it on your roof, but straight on like that. That's not going anywhere, and that's how it fits. Oh, there you go. Sorry, I didn't have that all the way screwed on, but that just shows you how it fits on with those magnet things. That just popped out because I didn't have that screwed all the way in here, and that gives you your easy roof mount for a magnetic for your Starlink Mini. And then we have the exact same thing, but a larger version just for your Starlink standard and 4X. So just on the page, just choose from the drop down which Starlink you have, and that'll give you your magnet mount for it.